Welcome to Hidayah online class. How are you? Okay, very good. I am Prasida, your social science teacher. So let's start our social science class. Okay. In the last class, we learned about latitude and longitudes. Okay. Today, we are going to discuss about another important features of the Earth. Okay. The most important one, rotation and its effects. Okay. Look at the picture. Alina and Ammu are two children living at places located on almost opposite faces of the earth. Alina lives in California in the USA and Ammu lives in Kerala. From the globe, you can understand that these places are located on opposite faces of the earth. While Ammu goes to school in the morning, Alina is sleeping at night. Okay. While Alina goes to school in the morning, it will be night at Ammu's place. അതായത് രണ്ട് സ്ഥലങ്ങളിൽ താമസിക്കുന്നവരാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ കണ്ടത് അല്ലെ. അലീനയും അമ്മുവും. അമ്മു കേരളത്തിലും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എന്താണ്, അലീന USA കാലിഫോർണിയയിലാണ് താമസിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോ അമ്മു രാവിലെ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോ അലീന എന്ത് ചെയ്യായിരിക്കും, രാത്രിയിൽ കിടന്നുറങ്ങും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അമ്മു എന്താണ്, ഉറങ്ങുമ്പോൾ അലീന എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് പോകും. ഓക്കെ. When it is day on one face of the earth, the opposite face experiences night. അതായത് ഭൂമിയിൽ ഒരു ഭാഗത്ത് പകൽ അനുഭവപ്പെടുമ്പോൾ നേരെ മറുഭാഗത്ത് എന്താണ്, രാത്രിയായിരിക്കും. Day and night are experienced one after the other. Day and night are experienced one after the other. അതായത് എന്താണ്, പകലും രാത്രിയും ഭൂമിയില് മാറി മാറി അനുഭവപ്പെടുന്നു. Okay, all of you clear? Okay. Let us see how this happens through a simple experiment. Look at the picture. As shown in the picture, place a globe against a source of light. Now, one face will be illuminated and the other will be a dark. ഒരു ഗ്ലോബ് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രകാശ സ്രോതസ്സിന് അഭിമുഖമായിട്ട് വരത്തക്കവണ്ണം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, പിടിച്ചു നിൽക്കുക. ഒരു ഭാഗം എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, പ്രകാശിതമാകുമ്പോൾ മറുഭാഗം ഇരുട്ടിലായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ. Turn the globe. You can see that the illuminated face turns dark and the dark face turn illuminated. അതായത് ഗ്ലോബ് നമ്മൾ കറക്കി നോക്കുമ്പോൾ പ്രകാശിതമായിരുന്ന ഭാഗം എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, ഇരുട്ടിലേക്ക് പോകുകയും പിന്നെ എന്താണ്, ഇരുട്ടിലായിരുന്ന ഭാഗം എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, പ്രകാശിതമാവുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഓക്കെ. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ദി സെയിം മാനർ ദാറ്റ് ഡേ ആൻഡ് നൈറ്റ് occurs on the earth. Okay, all of you clear? Okay. Listen, dear students, you know that Earth is a planet in the solar system. Earth is a planet in the solar system. You have already learned that the shape of the Earth is spherical and that it spins on its own axis. Okay. The spinning the Earth on its own axis called rotation. What is rotation? The spinning the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. ഭൂമി സ്വയം കറങ്ങുന്നതിനെ നമ്മൾ റൊട്ടേഷൻ, ഭ്രമണം എന്ന പേരിൽ അറിയപ്പെടുന്നു. ഓക്കെ. The part of the Earth facing the sun due to rotation gets illuminated and experiences day, as the opposite face does not get sunlight. Night is experienced. Okay. The day and night is experienced one after the other due to the rotation of the earth. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. It is considered as a day. Okay, all of you clear? Day and night is experienced one after the other due to the rotation of the earth. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. It is considered as a day. Okay, okay, all of you clear? Okay. The changes in the position of a sun is experienced due to the rotation of the earth. The changes in the position of the sun is experienced due to the rotation of the earth. the rotation occurs west to east direction. Because of this direction of rotation, we see the sun rises in the east and set in the west. Okay. Dear students, have you noticed the changes in the shadows over the day? A light so needed to make a shadow. Shadows are formed by blocking the light. The size and position of shadow depend on the direction and position of the light source with respect to the objects. Okay. Shadow of a person or a thing always appear in the opposite direction from the light smoke. During the sun rises, the shadow of an object to always be towards a west and longer. The shadow of an object during the sunset will always to be towards east and longer. Okay, all of you clear? Okay. When the sun is high in the sky, the shadows are much shorter and will point at north or south according to the hemisphere. The shadows are longer in the morning and evening because the sun rises slanting in the morning and evening. At noon, it is high in the sky and the shadows is short. Okay, all of you clear? Okay. Okay, that's all today. Today we discuss about rotation. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The effects of rotation lights day and night experienced one after the other due to the rotation of the earth. Okay. Day and night experienced one after the other due to the rotation of the earth. The changes in the position of the sun and experienced due to the rotation of the earth. The changes in the position of the sun is experienced due to the rotation of the earth. Rotation causes change in time. Rotation causes change in time. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. It is considered as a day. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, I conclude my class. All of you understood all topics. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you.